Hello, Shane McCusker here, Intelligence Software. I'm delighted to be joined today by Greg Savage. Greg and I are running some master classes in South Africa, Johannesburg, 26th of May, Cape Town, 3rd of June. If you're in the country, please come along. But we're running some taster videos just to give a sense as to what we're talking about. Today, we're going to be talking about growing big recruitment companies. Now, most recruitment companies are small, 5 to 10 people. But Greg has developed companies from startup right through to public limited company, huge international brands. So my question, Greg, is how do you do that?
Well, that's a really good question. And funny enough, I make a living coaching people on doing that right now. Because you're absolutely right. 80% in recruitment companies in Australia have got less than 10 staff. And I think that reflects the world as well. And there are a lot of reasons why that happens. Some of them are as simple as lack of funding, but normally they are around the fact that the founder of the recruitment company is typically a good recruiter with a good network, but not a good manager, not a good business builder. So the first thing they need is a business plan. The second thing they need is an owner who's prepared to relinquish some of the things that he or she used to do. I found the most successful companies are ones where the owner realizes what his or her strengths are and plays to those strengths and then brings in other people to complement themselves. So, for example, the owner might be a brilliant business winner, but a poor people manager. Well, where these things succeed is when another partner is brought in, or perhaps a paid employee is brought in to manage people. So that becomes critical. And, of course, the other massive mistake is hiring the right or issue that needs to be addressed is hiring the right staff and building a succession plan. You know, you can't build a business beyond 10 people unless you've got other people who are going to manage and lead. And a lot of these people are either reluctant to do it, or they can't do it, or they don't have a reward structure that encourages people to join them. And you're right, I've made a fair amount of cock-ups in my life, but I have actually built 2, maybe 3 very substantial recruitment companies. And they all started with 3 people in a room. So we had to build it from the ground up, and it's having a plan, it's having the funding, it's having the right people, and it's developing a succession plan, and it's having some courage to take some decisions that involve risk. You can't grow the business without expending some risk, but it has to be calculated. And so those are some of the things. Of course, the session we're going to have in Johannesburg and Cape Town about managers is going to cover, the full answer to that.
Well, yes, we're planning on running more videos between now and our masterclass session in Johannesburg and Cape Town, May and June. Check out our website for more details. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. I've got lots of stuff sitting there, and I've done some more with Greg and more to follow coming very soon. So hopefully I'll talk to you then. Bye.